All right, so in this video, we're going to show you how to access your Microsoft or your OneDrive when you're at home on a computer. First thing you can do is search Microsoft 365, and you're going to go to the login, Microsoft 365 login. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to have my account, and now I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. Okay, and then you can go ahead and click stay signed in if it's your home computer. That way you don't have to go through the whole login process every single time. But once that happens, that will log you into 365, which gives you access to a bunch of different things. It gives you access to your Outlook. So if I click on Outlook, it would give me access to my email, but I'll show you what there's also another way you can easily get access to your email via the school's website. I'll show you that as well. So that, anyways, that would go to your email. You can access your Word docs. So if you click on Word, any document that you have in your OneDrive that has been saved on Word is going to be there. Any Excel document that you have saved in OneDrive will be there. We'll have access to it, which is really nice. And then if you click up in this little box right here, it shows you everything that you have access to. Not many people are using OneNote right now, but in case the class does use OneNote or does use Class Notebook, that's where you'll be able to access it. And then, of course, your OneDrive, which is where you can have your folders for your different classes, so that you can share easily from the iPad you're using at school, and pop it into your OneDrive account so that you have access to it at home. So it's going into Microsoft 365, logging in, and then you have access to all of those things: OneDrive, Excel, Word, Outlook, PowerPoint. All of those things are there, whether they're shared or not. And actually here you can see that as well in the OneDrive. If you and a friend are working on an assignment together, if you click on shared, that means that it's shared with you. So these are things that have been shared with me over time. And then shared by you, things that you have shared with other people. So all of that, as long as you're using your OneDrive at school, you will have access to that at home as well.